Okay, here we have the 992 RV, which is Kenwood's flagship. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, Bluetooth, plus built-in GPS and up to 4 camera input. So here now we have the reverse camera for the customer that we've added, and then the original camera we've kept. That's working to monitor the bikes. So that's pretty good. When we go back to home, we've got Apple CarPlay, we've got our maps and so forth. And then when we go to unit, we can click navigation, and now we've got built-in navigation. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. We're based in Cardiff. We're B&B Audioconcepts. This now has a 3-year warranty, not a 1 year like the internet. And like most places, they won't fit them because unless you supply them, because these things are very intricate and you have to give a lot of help and after sales care. If it's not bought from you, then it's not worth taking the job on. But here we go. If you're interested, it's B&B Audioconcepts and we're based in Cardiff. Thank you very much.